guys, this is my new video. Look, I just finished this boot neck and now I want to stitch these sleeves. Just look at this beautiful shirt. This is designer shirt from Limestone. It will give you new ideas about stitching. How to attach these sleeves. You have to cut the front of the sleeves like this and just give a cut from here so that we can know that this is the middle of the sleeve. Now I will take a shirt and just join this middle of the sleeve with this part. Then we will take the inside part, this. Now I will join these pieces and start stitching them. Now I will start stitching the sleeves. This is the same middle of the sleeves. I'll take both parts of the sleeve and shirt. Change the cloth as you want. The way how to stitch the sleeves from inside. The professional way how to stitch. It's done. This is the finishing touch of the sleeve. Now I will take another sleeve and cut it from a little far and make a small cut over here as I told you for the middle. And as before, we are going to attach them both and make them inside out, and we're going to stitch it from the inside like this. I will start stitching. It's done. The shirt has been completed. The shirt has been completed with the sleeves. See you in the next video.